Notice the styloglossus muscle passing to its insertion into the side of the tongue. This swelling present under the styloglossus muscle is the root of the tongue. This is the stylopharyngeus muscle together with the glossopharyngeal nerve closely related to it on their way to enter the pharynx. This is the lingual artery, and it disappears deep to the posterior border of the hyoglossus, just above the greater horn of the hyoid bone. Reflecting the hyoglossus muscle exposes the lingual artery as it lies deep to it. This is the second part of the artery. This is the middle constrictor muscle of the pharynx, lying deep to the hyoglossus muscle. This is the styloglossus muscle as it arises from the styloid process. This is the stylopharyngeus muscle, also arising from the styloid process. The glossopharyngeal nerve is running close to its lower border. This is the stylohyoid muscle, which arises from the styloid process and runs directly along the upper border of the posterior belly of the digastric to get insertion into the body of the hyoid bone. This is the intermediate tendon of the digastric, which is kept in place by a fibrous loop attached to the body of the hyoid bone. It connects the posterior belly with the anterior belly. The stylohyoid muscle and the posterior belly of the digastric muscle are supplied by the facial nerve. The stylopharyngeus is supplied by the glossopharyngeal nerve, whereas the styloglossus muscle is supplied by the hypoglossal nerve.
Well, this is the end of part 1 of the anatomy of the head and neck. I hope we shall see you again on another film.